this is the most embarrassing moment for Maharashtrian students who went from Maharashtra. If government is not able to pay their bills, what would they answer to their landlords, to their hostel owners, mess, and most important thing is college administration, university administration, because these students are from economically weaker section, and government is about to they were supposed to sponsor them. But this is the most shameful thing. You have hundreds and thousands of crores rupees just to spend on some so-called, popular schemes.
Around 75 students were dreaming to secure their lives and fulfill their dreams in abroad. The government has promised them to fulfill their dreams by providing funds and other amenities, but now the government has failed to provide that. Now with us we have Congress leader Akash, who will help us to understand what is the current scenario of the students who are studying in abroad. Are they able to fulfill their dreams over there or not? Are the funds are provided or not? So what is the right now scenario over there, sir?
So every year around 75 students have been sent by Maharashtra government through minority department, and it is being sponsored, and completely scholarship is being given by state government. This year, after the first installment, second installment has not been paid yet, and for that students have been taking rigorous follow-up and continuous follow-up along with the government authorities, but there has been no response. Recently, in the month of March, a mail which students have been received that we don't have funds, and we have demanded department to allot funds, so kindly wait till that moment. Now the concern is, this is the most embarrassing moment for Maharashtrian students who went from Maharashtra, that if government is not able to pay their bills, fees, so what would they answer to their landlords, to their hostel owners, mess, and most important thing is college administration, university administration, because these students are from economically weaker section, and government is about to they were supposed to sponsor them. But this is the most shameful thing. You have hundreds and thousands of crores rupees just to spend on some so-called popular schemes, but you're not able to give 15-20 crores rupees, which is being due, pending.
Sir, the students who are over there, like the around 75 students now, like they are not able to provide the second installment over there. So what are the landlords over saying? Are they pressuring to them? Like what is their scenario? Because now they will be in the tense mode.
See, boys and girls, there are दोनों गए हुए, and for girls it is most difficult and challenging because they have some different issues. Means वो उनके लिए बहुत difficult होगा, but unfortunately they are helpless. They are just in follow-up. They are just in touch, but authorities are not able to respond them properly because they are just saying we don't have the funds. Now I'm expecting I'll take appointment of an honorable secretary and the minister that within this week you have to clear all the bills and the fees which is being due, because students are not able to attend their exams as well, and few universities have stopped the attendance as well. So if attendance is being stopped, not able to attend the classes, they won't be able to attend exam. Ultimately result आएगा fail, और तब आप हाथ ऊपर कर दोगे कि आप नहीं clear हो पाए, तो we won't be able to pay the fees. So again this will come on the students and they'll have to come back. And for state government it is the most embarrassing thing कि message जो जाएगा across the world or in this university that Maharashtra government is not able to pay the fees. Stop this scheme. जरूरत नहीं, आप मत भेजिए.
So what would be the average number of girls and boys? Like the total number is 75, but what could be the average of girls who are studying over there and the boys who are studying over there?
I'm not sure exact the numbers, but around 30-35% will be girls, and around 65 के आसपास boys रहेंगे.
Like as you have told that you will give a letter to the security in the upcoming days.
I'll meet them tomorrow.
Like by tomorrow, if the the members or the security is not taking any follow up regarding this issue, what would be the next plan of yours?
I'm pretty sure they'll have to take, because if they don't take the action, so multiple things will be exposed हो जाएगी. So I'm sure they'll clear this bill in this week. If not, Youth Congress will be very aggressive and will take a strong protest against the government.
As we have seen, the total number was 75 students who are studying in abroad, in which we have seen around 35% was girls and 62 they were boys. But now in upcoming days we have to see will there will be any action taken over there. Otherwise, if there is no action, the Congress committee would take a protest regarding this issue. I'm Harjit Kaur with camera person Ajay from Pune Times Mirror.